Hello guys, welcome back to Techno Fiction. Now we are going to our next module, account and contact for lightning experience. It has two modules and the first unit is store information about your customers. So in this video you will learn about business accounts, contacts, a person account and how to add a new business account and associated contact. Let's look up one by one. What are accounts and contacts? Customers are the backbones of business, right? So there must be good relationship with customers. It takes time, care and also requires information. So we need to know who our customers are, where to find them, how to contact them and how we make them happy. In Salesforce, we store information about our customers using accounts and contacts. Accounts are companies that we are doing business with, and contacts are the people who work for them. Understanding how to use accounts and contacts is key to getting the most out of Salesforce. If we are doing with a single person, we use a special account type called a person account. Person account are similar to business accounts. In this module, we will learn about business account. Through business account, we can track companies. Let's follow the instruction below. For that, launch your playground. Click the account tab. If you can't find the account tab here, then go to app launcher and select that. In account, click new. So fill the details given here. So the account name is Get Cloudy. After filling the given details, click Save. So we have created the account Get Cloudy. Now we can use business contacts to track people at companies. Let's see it how. So we need to add two contacts in Get Cloudy account. So in account tab, scroll down to contacts and click new. So we need to add a contact record for Alan Johnson. So the first name is Alan. So we need to add a contact record for Alan Johnson. The first name is Alan, the last name is Johnson, and the title is Sales Manager. And the phone and email addresses are given. So just fill this contact here like this and then click Save. After filling this, now create another new contact for Leung Chan. For the in Leung Chan contact record, the first name is Leung, the last name is Chan, the title is Marketing Manager, the phone number is not given here, and the email ID is given. So fill it and click Save. So in contacts, you can see like this. We can also track our customers' interaction by clicking the contact name. So it moves to contacts tab and we can make a call or we can give them a task, anything like that. We can send the mail. So now you can get to know our contacts and accounts better. So let's go to our challenge. So the given challenge is to add a contact to an account. We need to add a contact to the Get Cloudy account. Make sure that you have created the Get Cloudy account before or else create it now, then only you can complete this challenge. Don't forget to do that. So we need to create a contact on Get Cloudy account in the name Alan Johnson and the title is Sales Manager. As given by the instruction here, we have created a name called Alan Johnson as the title Sales Manager. We have done that earlier, so let's check our challenge. We have completed this challenge. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to learn more from me, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Share with your friends and comment your thoughts about this video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.